How to fix Lensa not opening. So, you tap on the Lensa app ready to create some amazing AI ad and nothing, it just won't open. It's super common and frustrating problem. But don't worry, we are going to walk through some quick fixes right now. First, let's try the simplest solution, restarting your phone. I know, it sounds too easy, but you would be surprised how often a quick power off can solve these glitches. Go ahead and give it a shot. Still stuck? Okay, step 2. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for the Lensa and check if there's an update available. An outdated app is often the culprit. For that, what you have to do is simply tap on the Play Store if you are using an Android and App Store if you are using iPhone. As mine is the Android, I'll be using Google Play Store. Let's go inside it and let's search for Lensa here. And here you can see there's no option for the update. That means update is not available right now. If that doesn't work, it's time to clear the clutter. For Android user, go to the setting, find your apps, select the Lensa and just hit the clear cache. Let's go in the setting. You can see my setting right over here. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside it, you will be seeing this type of interface. And just scroll down until you see an option for the app. You can see apps right over here. Let's tap on it. And that will take you inside the apps. From the option, simply tap on all apps. And you can just scroll down through the apps or just tap on the search button right over here and search for Lensa. Let's use the search button and here you can see a Lensa. Let's tap on it. Once you're inside the Lensa app info, you will be seeing this type of interface. Now what you need to do in order to clear cache is simply tap on storage and cache, which is right over here. Let's tap on it and tap on clear cache. And it's done. And for our final trick, the last resort of full reinstall. Go ahead and delete the app completely from your phone. Then take a deep breath, head back to the App Store or the Google Play Store and download it again for a fresh start. One of these steps should get you back up and running. Was that worked for you? Drop a comment below and let me know. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.